I go do ya now? Newlink and the attack now. Hotter. Bring a old chain setter. Newlink. Hotter.
Yeah, man. Me, man, Prekeh, man. They are sending boy a government right now. See all the government for Jamaica. John, what you even know them kill my friend, but everything good. Yo, Crows. I'm a friend. Yeah, man, we are teach Jamaica. Government and police them say. It's one of the worst wanted, man. Them are see called new thing when I'm getting from Haiti, you know, dog. So that thing there, it boom up. One shot boom up station and one shot boom up. Then jump out van or them police car them are driving. So them just trying to know when me roll in. Different thing. Them feel like them can't kill me. I'm strongly on a man over here. 3 times this now they make off and I'm dead. Them not see that. Every time they come for me, one of my charge they end up out. But them strong here that me feed them with rum. Wait till me roll in, man, a different thing. I see me charge it. So kick it in the dog. Cause I come up on the Haiti now. I see him so would I kick you when they're in Jamaica. Wait till we roll in back, man. And government boy there. Man, I slap him and try guard up in yard with be a military soldier. That man, I tell him.
Bless up my people, big up on yourself. I don't know what say boy, newlink there. Well, my people, I don't know. Before I go in, I'm thinking now about this man then called Prekeh people. As I said that video there with the old Prekeh boy and now people. As them say a Prekeh boy that, you know. Because the video sent to newlink and them say a Prekeh boy that there. Well, right now people, West Indies is a big problem. Anybody watch cricket? I'm a cricket fan still, although Manchester United, my side, they don't know, so we win what they give 3 love today. We are going to play PSG and thing again. Well, people, West Indies is a big problem. If you don't know, I'm keeping update on that one day. West Indies win a series against England, but they're in a big problem now. So you don't know that, but well, that's different now. Well, people, it's a Prekeh boy thing now. Them say a Prekeh boy this, alright? Or the video sent to newlink. And if this is really Prekeh boy now, and Prekeh boy I say yo, him there 80 and them thing there, and him over strong and them thing there. Well, I can't tell if they are 80 or if they are Jamaica. You know what I mean? But boy, Prekeh boy, you're brave still there for you that, you know. You're really brave. Because now, the video now we send out Prekeh now and say they are 80. You know, say police them now gonna believe you. The police they can't believe you because when the police them go praise you. So him gonna tell me saying they are 80. To keep my eyes off of him now. And him they are Jamaica. So them still gonna look for your Prekeh. You understand? I'm just saying that, so. Well, boy. Tell you boy, Prekeh boy say him over strong. Say 3 times them come for kill him and them can't kill him. But always him link them catch or something like that. People, I'm telling you something now. You see, if Prekeh boy, you see, if him there 80, if he can be in 80, you know, can you know, say 80, very close to Jamaica. A simple thing for you reach a 80. You understand? Very close. And you have a part in 80 in a place they call Port-au-Prince, where just Jamaican live there. You have bad man Jamaica over there. You understand? So, I don't know. He's saying they are 80. But if me and the police, as me tell you, I still look for him at Jamaica, you know. Still look for him at Jamaica. And as me tell you them all the time, it don't make no sense. You don't put yourself in this position where you not going to get killed or you not going to get wanted by the police and your life is finished. Imagine, you can't live the fun you used to have before. Imagine, you is wanted, so expect that when the police catch you, most times are dead, you not go dead, you know. You know what I mean? How long you think you can run for? How long you think you can hide for? Wasting your life like that. A waste of life them there, you know. Them things don't make no sense. It don't make no sense. The better man tell me say yo, he do some drugs and he get caught. See? More than a man go tell me say yo, he go kill some man for no reason at all. And no police want him. He might run from police and them things. Them things that don't make no sense. Them things that don't make no sense. See? And you can't feel like no top man, nor no big man when you know the police want to head. Enough people know you so the ranks people. I say them kill no man, but them the ranks where them have them peace and them thing, them the ranks where them do couple robbery, but them decide to make a turn around of them life and change them life. See? But when you take the life of innocent people now, murdering innocent people now, you understand? People just because of some simple something you murder them and kill them now, then you are going to come talk them something and feel so bold and up. Yo, mate, man, that's crazy though. That's really crazy and make no sense. So right now, the position where you put yourself in now, if I you that Prekeh, I'm telling you, you're in a very sad and one sticky position because all I can tell you is when them police are warning you, I can tell you, dog, name your supper. Viewers and subscribers, you don't know the thing, but this is Newlink from Newlink Production, and we even not got too much night. So people, stay blessed, stay love. The time is getting late. I'm out. Bless up.
What them a go do you know? Newlink and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. Newlink, attack.